Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Lidlox helmet lock system for the Can-Am Spyder. The Lidlox helmet lock system for the Can-Am Spyder is a 100% bolt-on locking solution that mounts to your handlebar ends by simply removing just the bolt and not the bar end off your stock bars, and then simply bolting on the lid lock in its place, threading on the key lock, and then finally tightening down the Allen lock to secure it in place. Now these lid locks are sold individually or as a pair and are available in both a black and chrome finish to match your Spyder's color profile. Now if you opt for the pair, one key will open and lock both helmet locks, so you don't have to fumble around for two different keys. The single lock comes with 2 keys and the double lock comes with 4 keys, so you'll have backup keys if needed. This helmet lock is a great solution for Spyder owners that either don't have adequate storage or have their storage bags filled with other items. Well folks, that's all there is to it. Now if this product interests you, make sure you head on over to slingmods.com and grab either the 1 or 2 pack for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out, and we'll see you on the road.